Today I'm going to show you how you can open your studio, your YouTube studio on your Chrome browser. How you can open YouTube studio on Chrome browser. So what we'll do now, we'll go to our Chrome browser. Open, okay, it's already open here, but in case yours didn't bring this something like this, what you do, you just have to search for studio, or just search for YouTube Studio on your Chrome browser. It will bring you to this place. Let me zoom. So you see this first option here. Don't just click it, just click and hold on it. Then to bring out this pop-up, it will pop up this menus for you. So what you do is open a new tab. Once you click open a new tab, you will see at the up right hand side of your screen, you can see we have the address bar. We also have plus symbol. Then you see a rectangle here that has 15 inside. Yours might not be written 15. So what you just do, just click on it. So this is are the tabs that are open on this Chrome browser. So what I will do now is to click on the last one by your left. Now the last one here by your left, I'll click on it. Once I click on it, I'll click on continue to studio below here. Don't click on get app, don't click on get app, just click on continue to studio below. It's a kind of fence color here. I'll click on it, then it will take me to my dashboard, my YouTube dashboard. You can see here's my YouTube dashboard right now. So I come from here, I can go to this second symbol here, which is my videos. I'll click on it to bring me to my videos, and this is my video tab, this is my short tab, and this is my live tab. So I'll click on it. Let me click on this video tab. I'll click on this first video I have here. Then you can see from here you can edit, write your description, your thumbnail and other. So but if I want to edit this video, you can see this third this thing here. You can see it here by your level. This place is for editing. So when I click on this place, I can trim out segments. I can trim out, I can blur, I can add music, I can put my end screen and all that. So if you want me to make any video or how to do that, you just let me know how to do any of those things that are in our editors tab. Let me know. Thank you very much. I'll see you in my next video.